Hi, it's Todd Gross, and I am super excited and proud to announce my next launch with my partner, Paul Pona. Now, we're coming out with a groundbreaking video software that's simply going to shake up the video marketing industry like never before. Get ready for, in fact, 5-figure plus commissions out of this. Mark your calendars, it's going to be big. After 2 years of development, we're finally ready to release to the world our one-of-a-kind, feature-packed video creation software that has never been done before. But let me give you a bit of background and tell you why this really is different from any of the other video apps out there. Well, certainly a little history. We've all seen how popular explainer and whiteboard videos were when they came out just about 3 years ago, and any of the tools that automated the creation of these videos were also instant blockbusters. But for the first time on the web, we're going to introduce a new form of video that's going to change the way people create videos online. Introducing VideoBuilder. Now, it's an easy-to-use web app that fuses the power of motion animated videos with fully interactive, human-style 3D characters to create a new form of 3D avatar interactive animated video, fully customizable with text effects, transitions, lower thirds, motion graphics, intros, outros, and much more. And it gets even better. Listen to this. We're also proud to introduce our new, never-seen-before lip sync technology. It's a true game changer, and more on that in just a moment. We've tested this new form of video on our previous VideoPal launch, and the results were incredible. We did nearly $1 million in 1 week in sales. It was a low $27 ticket, too, on the front end, and we sold over 24,000 in the funnel within that 7-day period. Now, it is now proven that this style of video converts better than any other style of videos out there. And for the first time, we are automating the entire process so your customers can create stunning 3D avatar interactive animated videos in minutes to get higher conversions, better engagement, and huge results. Now let me pass this over to my partner Paul, who will explain a bit about this technology and the power-packed features included in the app.
Hey guys, this is Paul. Now, with the great success that we had previously with the VideoPal launch, now for this one, we've gone big. We've invested big and we've left no stones unturned. And more importantly, this particular VideoBuilder app is so amazing that we've really made it a creative video making experience for your users, your customers. That makes it a blank canvas where they can build any kind of video, whether it's a 3D video or an animation video or any type of video, and I'll be talking a little bit about it in just a second. But that blank canvas is what we really spent over 2 years developing, and that's what I want to talk about right now. The end user will get a fully flexible video canvas where they can build a really awesome, never seen before 3D animation videos, 3D animation characters that not only do they interact, right? Not only can you edit, customize them, but also we integrated a revolutionary lip sync technology, which means with this technology, any audio, whether it's text-to-speech, we've already integrated the world's best text-to-speech engine into this application, yes, but also any voice, whether it's a voiceover, your own audio, or any audio of your choice, will automatically lip sync with any of our 3D animation characters. This is a game changer, something that's never been done before, and a lot of people have attempted it and they've never been able to achieve it, but we have. We cracked the code and we're so excited about this because of that reason. This allows your users and customers around the world who are looking to make really high-end videos to not only make videos that are captivating, yes, but also with the lip sync technology that we've integrated, they can really take it up to another level that has never been achieved before. We wanted to make the VideoBuilder the #1 video creation and building app out there. And for that, we went a step further. Not only do your customers be able to build 3D animation avatar videos, which means they can have animation videos speak and have lip sync attached to them, meaning they will be completely realistic, right, lifelike. But also we've integrated intros, outros, motion capture animation elements, right? Like text effects, if you will, lower third elements, and all kinds of good stuff. This allows you to build professional, high-quality videos that has never been able to be achieved before, because now you can not only mix the animation, 3D animation, 3D avatars and the 3D animated characters on one end, but also integrate the high-end text effects, intros, outros, and all kinds of animation elements, transitions, and all the other good stuff that literally makes it a game-changing video. Now, right at the bottom of this page, you'll see some demos and how awesome it looks, but let me cover some other important stuff right now. As you've probably seen from our previous video panel launch, our team takes things very seriously, takes conversions very seriously. We do a lot of split testing, and more importantly, we really want you to get the best conversion rates out there. So this is why we invest a lot of time, resources, and have an entire team in place to ensure that you get the best results when promoting it, yes, but also get the best promotion ever. And with VideoPal, for example, many affiliates did 5, even 6 figures in sales. And the beauty is that it was the best promotion that they've ever made. And there's a reason for that. We have an entire conversion machine in place. Now, I know that's spoken a lot, but some of the elements, for example, are things that we do, for example, like split testing. We do pre-launch webinars to convert your leads into sales, convert the entire funnel, so you get a high EPC for every click that you send. And we also do some really good retargeting, whether it's with YouTube, Google, Facebook ads. We do all of that stuff. So majority of the time, affiliates send once and they keep getting sales for weeks and weeks because of all the elements that we incorporate into our conversion machine that we have in place. And that takes a lot of time for us to set up, which is why we want to ensure that our launches do really well for you and really break records for everybody. The goal is that throughout the 7 days of the launch, you have the same conversion rates as you would on day number 1. Now, I'm going to pass it on to Todd to tell you more.
All right, JVs, you can see that we are super excited about this launch. You know we reciprocate big. Paul and I have been sending thousands of sales to partners since our last launch. We've been the #1 affiliates on JVZoo again for the past 6 months, generating over $500,000 in affiliate sales for our partners. And we would truly appreciate it if you could bring the heat on this offer. It won't be forgotten. The proof, it's in the results. You will not only make huge commissions for this launch, but we will also ensure top rankings on your related launches like we've been doing for so many years. So we look forward to having you on board. All the launch details, they're on this page. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or comments. And the review access will be rolled out shortly. Now, I look forward to paying you 5 to 6 figures in commissions on this launch. It's going to be absolutely huge.
One more thing, we have a ton of surprise contests and we're giving away a huge amount of prizes during the launch as well as the pre-launch phase. And because of the surprise contests that we'll be running, expect to have a huge commission payday at the end of the launch because of all the contests that we'll be having, where we're paying away a huge amount of prizes just for you as our appreciation for being a JV partner for us. Now, I've personally paid out over $1 million in commissions to our partners for our high-ticket offers and webinars and private promotions over the last 6 months. Now, the reason why I tell you this is that we are implementing the exact same high-level strategies and elements and funnels that we are using, the high-level marketing strategies that we're using in our high-ticket offers into this low-ticket offer. Now, this is important because it's going to not only ensure that you get high conversions, but it also makes the offer irresistible to your clients and your customers. So somewhere on this page you will see a form to sign up as a JV partner. This way we will email you any update as soon as we have them, and more importantly, you can also keep up to date with the launch and the proceedings and all the updates regarding the launch in one place. And we're also available on Skype, our whole team, and we're just a message away really. If you have any questions or really need anything, just messages, and we'll be available, and we'll be helping you out to make this a very profitable promotion for you and an easy promotion for you as well. And on top of that as well, Todd and I, we really thank you for your support. We really appreciate it, and we look forward to working with you on the long term and making you a lot of money with this promotion.